You know those close calls you wish you had on video? The sudden lane change, the deer at dusk, did that really just happen? The right motorcycle dash cam gives you proof when it counts and a crisp ride log. In this list, we focus on real clarity day and night and simple installs models. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Innovv K6. If you want a tiny, tidy setup with both views covered, the Innovv K6 keeps it simple. The front module houses the recorder and a 2560 by 1440 pixel, 30 frames per second camera on a Starvis sensor. The rear runs at 1920 by 1080 pixels. You get sharp definition where it matters without extra boxes under the seat. The full aluminum alloy body is a big win for riders. It sheds heat, shrugs off vibration, and looks factory once mounted. Rated IP67, the K6 is sealed against dust and rain and can handle a dunk at half a meter for 30 minutes. Confidence for daily riders and tourers alike. Installation is refreshingly light. Because the digital video recorder is integrated into the compact front camera, there is less wiring and no need to pull your seat or hunt for space. That keeps the bike clean and the job doable with basic tools. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Hfk. The Hfk is built for riders who want smooth, detailed footage in more than just perfect daylight. Dual 1920 by 1080 pixel streams record simultaneously at up to 60 frames per second, paired with a Sony sensor and a 150-degree field of view at both ends to reduce blind spots. Storage is a standout. With 128 gigabytes of embedded multimedia card storage on board, you are not at the mercy of flaky cards. It also supports micro-secure digital expansion up to 512 gigabytes for epic trips. Loop recording auto overwrites the oldest unlocked files, so you are always rolling. Protection features are dialed. An adjustable G-sensor locks files after a bump, while electronic image stabilization calms jitters from rough pavement for footage that is easier to review. The alloy shell and anti-explosion construction add durability for year-round use. Everything is sealed to ride. Rated IP67, the whole system is dust-proof and waterproof for rain days and winter commutes. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Insta360 X3. Want a camera that doubles as a creative tool when you are not documenting traffic? The Insta360 X3 brings 5.7 thousand pixel, 360-degree capture plus a traditional action cam mode in one body. Shoot first, then reframe later in the app so the camera angle is never wrong, even if the moment surprised you. For classic forward POV, switch to 4000 pixel, 30 frames per second wide angle or go super wide at 2700 pixel, 60 frames per second. Flow state stabilization with horizon lock keeps footage glassy, smooth over potholes, speed bumps, and twisties. The motorcycle bundle earns its name. A heavy-duty clamp without a ball joint minimizes shake on bars or crash cages, and a flexible adhesive base unlocks creative angles on fairings and tail sections. The updated invisible selfie stick is stronger carbon fiber for better bump absorption. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Ninneyin. Ninneyin is the practical choice for riders who want straightforward protection with minimal fuss. 2 channels record at 1920 by 1080 pixels through 160-degree lenses, so you capture plate numbers and context in front and behind without huge files to manage. Night riding is covered. Enhanced sensors improve low-light performance, keeping headlight flare in check and details legible when you are on dim back roads or in rain. That means more usable evidence if anything happens after sunset. Control is surprisingly modern for a budget-friendly kit. Use the companion app to preview live view, change recording length between 1, 3, or 5 minutes, and pull files. All without fiddling with tiny on-device screens. One-tap connection makes it easy to check angles before rolling out. Loop recording keeps storage fresh, and the G-sensor locks clips in a collision so key moments are not overwritten. For commuter bikes and scooters, it is a sensible set-and-forget shield. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Carpuride. If you want a big glove-friendly screen plus dual-cam recording, Carpuride is a unique all-in-one. A 7-inch high-definition, 1024 by 600 pixel IPS display rotates between portrait for navigation and landscape for media or split view, while both front and rear cameras record at 1920 by 1080 pixels. The split-screen digital video recorder mode is great for situational awareness. See front and rear live while rolling or review both streams side by side at a stop. A 64GB card is included, and loop recording cleans up automatically when memory fills. It is built for motorcycles. The unit is IP67 with a detachable anti-theft mount, and it works from -20 to 80 degrees Celsius. A wired controller lets you answer calls, snap photos, switch views, and lock video without hunting on the touchscreen. For touring rigs and daily riders, it is a dashboard upgrade and dash cam in one. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Vsysto. Vsysto focuses on the essentials riders care about: clear recording in more conditions, easy installation, and an app that does not get in your way. Dual 1920 by 1080 pixel cameras with Starlight night vision keep footage usable long after streetlights fade. Preserving detail, other cams smudge. The cameras themselves are IP67 waterproof, so rain rides are a non-event. The compact main unit tucks under the seat out of sight. Just note it is not waterproof, which is why the under-seat placement matters. The smaller footprint means less clutter on naked bikes and sport machines. Setup is quick. The harness and mounts are straightforward, so you can get rolling without a weekend teardown. Loop recording with 1, 2, 3, or 5-minute files makes browsing easy, and the G-sensor auto-locks clips if the bike takes a hit. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Innovv K7. For top-tier clarity and features, the Innovv K7 takes the win. Both front and rear cameras can record at 2000 pixels by 1536 pixels, 30 frames per second, or drop to dual 1920 by 1080 pixels with electronic image stabilization on for steadier footage over rough tarmac. 160-degree lenses, front and rear, cover at least 3 traffic lanes with fewer blind spots. Protection does not stop when you park. A built-in G-sensor triggers emergency saves on impact, and a 24-hour Sentry mode records protected 30-second clips if the bike is jostled. Powerful peace of mind against vandalism or loading dock bumps. Ride tech is premium. A 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi link and the Innovv app make previewing and downloading snappy. 10 Hz global positioning system logs speed and route so you can review exactly what happened and where, and the bar-mounted remote locks clips or snaps photos with gloved hands. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best motorcycle dash cams you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one!